running to nowhere really. Oh well. Even nowhere is somewhere, isn't it? Hello guys, can you tell what we're going to do? Well, not with this mask on, but maybe with these shoes on. Or this my gear on. Going for a run. Going for a run. Out there. We're in Kuala Lumpur. Going for a run. I'm going to go at least go up around that thing somehow. Although I think it's closed there, but I think maybe you can run in there. I'll try and work that one out. And or kind of run in some direction. In some direction, people. Right now though, we have to get in this lift. Okay, so I've just come out of the back of the place, of the hotel. We are up there somewhere. Gonna go for a run. Amazing thing about this place is there is footpaths. So yeah, running shouldn't be an issue, which is amazing. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. Put some music on. I'm gonna go check out Kuala Lumpur. This will be the furthest I've gone yet in Kuala Lumpur, so I have no idea where I'm going. But we'll work it out, right? Okay, so this is kind of where I want to go. That's the Dewara tower just behind. This is where I want to go, but I don't know if it's open. Someone said that that isn't open, so maybe you have to go right around this way. So we're going to try it this way. Let's go. Gosh, I was hoping that I'd just be able to go up there somewhere, but looks like I have to go right around. Somewhere. We saw some guy yesterday. He said that that place, that way was closed. You have to go around to the main entrance. But I imagine it's this way. Let's find out. Check out all these buildings there. I do like cities. Not sure I like. No, yeah. About to say I'm not sure I like what they represent, but I guess in some respects I do. Progress, etc. But maybe what you what I associate with them is, you know, a place full of people, a place full of lonely people, and maybe that's just an association I have with London. Don't know if that's the same here. I guess once we have a look around, we'll find out. Anyway, running. Okay guys, I'm not exactly sure what happened. There's another bit of green there. I missed the don't know what happened to the bit of green I was looking for or trying to get into. Kind of had to go round. Now I'm trying to come back up. There is a bit of green there though. Maybe that's open. I don't know. Seems like they're closed, or like they're kind of green spaces. Maybe it's a thing. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little bit of stretching here and then get moving somewhere else. Okay, so done my stretches here. I found out that I think this, well, I looked on Google Maps and I think this actually is attached to the bit that was down there. So maybe this is like the main entrance. I don't know. Down here on Google Maps looks like it's a dead-end street, but I'm gonna go down there anyway, check it out, I just want to get in that green bit, really. We'll see, we'll see. I don't know, there's like a big car park there even. It's just so difficult to tell why can't I go in there? I want some green. Let's go get some green, guys. Somehow. No, it looks like it's closed. Okay, so I saw some people in there. There's people in the green, people. So he said to go around the outside. Spoke really good English, as I worried. It's like surprised me a lot. Yeah, I've noticed, like, you know, here, like, English, it's pretty much understood so far. Although maybe some people are reluctant. Fair enough. There's obviously Chinese, I think Mandarin, and then there's Bahasa, which is great, because that's what we've been trying to speak for the last 2 months. You know, there sometimes does become some confusion depending on who you want to talk or who you're actually talking to, and deciphering that. But for the most part, you say terima kasih, thank you, in Bahasa. They don't mind too much. At least you're trying, right? We're all trying, people. We're all trying. So we're still, speaking of trying, just trying to get in there. Let's see what we can do. This here is a pretty amazing building, this one. It's really weird at night, like it's just, there's no lights on it, or there's not many. It's very dark, right? It's a black, well, it's a blue building, but it's very dark, a dark building. So all you see is a few of the little lights. You know it's there, kind of like a ghost tower or something that you can almost see. Anyway, we're going this way. Oh, lost the wheel. Go! Okay, so I've also noticed it's still quite quiet. Again, it's the Sunday. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's like holiday just in general. The city just seems so empty. It's weird. Oh, there's an entrance. Look, they're going in. They know how to get there. Let's hope it doesn't cost any money, because I didn't bring any with me. But let's go, let's go. Go, go, go. Okay, so I found the entrance. Apparently it costs 40 to get in. This is it here. Looks nice. I don't have any money on me. I'm paying 40 ringgit, or like £8 to walk in a park. No thanks. I'll just run around it, thanks. Gosh. I find that so... £8, guys. What? Free for children. £8 for internationals. I can't contemplate that, sorry. Maybe you want to do something about that, Kuala Lumpur. Because that's... I don't know. Maybe it's nice. Maybe it's nice. You know, maybe I'm cheap. But you know, it's just my perspective, right? You want to pay that amount? That's up to you. I'm going to keep running. Catch you later. As you can see, just over there is Petronas, the two Petronas towers. I was thinking maybe to run to there, but no, we're going to go to that later, so I'm not going to run there. Just going to keep running somewhere. Look how these buildings, vast place. Not really much down here. Oh, shopping mall, wow. Loads of shopping malls around here, people. If you're up for it, shopping malls. Here's a Hakka restaurant. Actually, once upon a time went to a Hakka village in China. Ooh, run, run, run. Once upon a time, a few years ago now. Check it out. Gosh, it's definitely a big city. Cool, guys. Well, we're going to run just maybe down to there and then run back, I think. Just running to nowhere, really. Oh well. Even nowhere is somewhere, isn't it? Okay guys, seems like I've come to kind of a dead end where it looks like that's all kind of motorway that way. I've come to this guy. With these guys. So I come all the way here. That'll do. No idea where I am. But to me, wow, they're rebuilding it all. Wow, full of crayfish. Oh my gosh. That's a crazy place. Wow. Okay, so yeah, I've come here, wherever this is. Gonna do some stretching. Well, I want to find some shade to do some stretching. And then I'll run back, I guess. That's amazing. Like here, there's like, it's like cosmopolitan. Like cosmopolitan? I don't even know if that's the word for it. Pan-Asian. But it's not Pan-American Asian. It's not Western Asian. It's like Asian Asian. And, you know, there's Indian there. A lot of Indian, a lot of Chinese, a lot of Malaysian, obviously. It seems like this is really a place where a lot of people come, you know, much like a place like London, you know, which is cosmopolitan. Wow, this place is pretty cool. Don't know what it is. Oh, it's a restaurant. Nice decoration for a restaurant. It's really cool. Oh, there's a guy doing some stuff. Okay, I'm gonna do some stretching. Maybe not where he is. Down here, more. Then I'm gonna run back. It's all buildings around. Seems like those are redevelopment. Yeah, quite like it. Reminds me a bit of like Bangkok, I guess. But even Bangkok is more Thai than anything else, as far as I remember. Like this definitely has, like I know there is Indian and blah, blah, blah in Bangkok. Been there more times than I can count actually. But yeah, this just, it also has a feel of New York or like Brooklyn or something. Big buildings, you know. I know, I hope that's not cool. Gonna stretch here guys. It's in the sun, but in the shade there's people. A very nice house as well. Oh well. Okay, stretching. Okay guys, so that's it. Stretching has happened. This is a really nice place. I just had that house please. No, it's surrounded by big buildings there. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I've run to somewhere, I don't know where. I'm gonna run back there, wherever I was. Oh, it's the police. Yeah, okay, great. Oh, it's the police's residence. Maybe we don't want to hang out there. But yeah, we gonna run back now. One thing I have noticed is the police here look pretty awesome. I mean, their cars are, oh, they're Hondas, but yeah, okay. I don't know. Oh, okay, time to run back, I think. Yeah, don't really know where I am. Okay, so I'm about 3 kilometers away, so I'm just gonna run 3 kilometers back. See what we could do. Okay, but yeah, gonna run back. You've seen quite a lot of it. Probably gonna go the same way that I came. So more or less just see you back there, unless something really cool comes along. Catch you there. So, oh, you can't see it. So I've just come back to a familiar thing. There's the Menara Tower there. Gonna go around the right hand side and then we're just down there. Yeah, keep it running. Go, almost there. Probably about 2/3 of the way back. Let's go. So this looks like it's the entrance to the KL Tower, or Menara Tower, Kuala Lumpur, if you don't know. So running around, like I said, the right hand side of it. Looks like there are tickets maybe to go up or something. Not sure what time it's open or closes. There are restaurants up there, probably a bar. One of them revolves. Maybe one day we'll go. Let's see. For now, woo-wee, it's hot. Good. Have to get around it. Oh, and not melt. Yes. Go. Okay. So, just found out, running all the way up here, there's a dead end. So running back down. There's the tower again. Look, there's the entrance to the tower. All the other stuff I said before, blah, 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 blah. And we're back. This way. Gosh. So it looks like the transport system around here is like pretty amazing actually. It looks like it's open. There's monorail and there's, I think, underground, and there's buses and there's everything. Maybe that's why there's no traffic around. Maybe that's what it is. Haven't tried it yet, so I can't say how good it is. I have heard it's good. But we are going to try it a bit later, so I'll give you more details on that. I think we're going to jump on the monorail at least today, maybe. Or on those little scooters, which would be maybe even more fun. We'll see, we'll see. We're almost back, we're almost back. Almost back, we're almost back. Don't worry. Almost there, guys, almost there. That's our building. You see the towers just there? We're just the one above it. Asha's up there somewhere. Waiting for me. No, she's up there somewhere. Down here, well, actually on that side yesterday, saw like another big monitor lizard. So they do exist here as well, but it's, well, Indonesia, Bangkok, etc. So yeah, I wouldn't really want to come across one right now. Animals. Okay, it's literally just there, guys, don't worry. See you there. Okay guys, we made it back. Oh. We made it back, don't worry. Cheers for watching. Hopefully that showed you some part of Kuala Lumpur that maybe you'd never see before, or even, you know, just as on the go, make you realize that there's a lot more out there than just maybe the tourist attractions. Yeah, there's a whole life, right? A whole life out there, whole world, multiple lives. So yeah, cheers for watching. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. If you want, comment down below. We're here for a few days, probably a few more, yeah, quite a few more days in Singapore. So yeah, if there's anywhere you think we should go, there, or there, let us know. We're really liking this city. Not that we've seen much of it, but just the feeling of it so far is really good. So yeah, we'll probably be coming back here after Singapore, but we're not 100% decided on anything yet. But yeah, why don't you, yeah, just follow along, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.